NVIDIA is steadily increasing its nemotron family. They just released this Audex-2B model, which is a compact but powerful unified audio text model that does it all. It can listen to audio, it can transcribe speech, translate languages, generate speech from text, and even have full voice conversations, all while keeping its sharp reasoning and coding abilities intact. In this video, we are going to install it locally on this system and then we are going to test it out in addition to its architecture and training pipeline in as simple words as possible. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. While I talk about this model, let's also get this installation underway. I am going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. The good thing is that NVIDIA has shared this all-inclusive script in their Hugging Face repo, which you can download, and I will drop the link in video's description. This is what I'm going to use in order to download and then serve this model in a Gradio interface. So let me take you back and let me run that. The Gradio demo has started at my local system. Let me open it in the browser. And this is what it looks like. Let me run the first test. So I have just uploaded one audio from my local system and I'm asking it to transcribe the speech in the input audio. Let me first play the audio.
Although the campaign was not a complete success, it did provide Napoleon with valuable experience and prestige.
Okay, so now let me run this. I will keep the thinking mode as disabled and rest of the hyperparameters as is. Let's generate it. It is running at the moment. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. And the first time when you run this, it also downloads the model. So, and then doesn't take too long. And the model consumes just close to 6 gig of VRAM in 2 billion. Okay, let's go back. It is still generating. I will let it generate and let's have a quick look at the architecture. So the model's context length is around 128K and it can run in thinking and non-thinking mode. Under the hood, this Audex-2B is built on a text LLM backbone with two additions bolted on. On the input side, an audio encoder converts raw speech or sound into embeddings, which are then passed through MLP adapters so the LLM can understand them alongside regular text tokens. On the output side, the model predicts not just text tokens but also discrete speech and audio tokens, which separate decoders then convert back into actual audio waveforms. So the LLM is the brain, the audio encoder is the ears, and the speech and audio decoders are the voice. That is the whole thing which is happening. A very quick look on the training pipeline. It happens in two phases. First, supervised fine tuning, where the model is shown correct input output pairs and learns to imitate them. NVIDIA tried two SFT approaches, a multi stage curriculum that adds one capability at a time, and a consolidated single stage approach that mixes everything together. After SFT, they apply cascaded reinforcement learning, the same technique used in Nemotron Cascade 2, where the model learns from reward signals rather than just imitation. The final trick is MOPD, a distillation step that compresses the reasoning into a leaner, faster model. I will talk more about the benchmarks, but let's go back to our terminal. The model has come back with the response around 11 tokens per second, and this is the output. Let me play the audio again.
Although the campaign was not a complete success, it did provide Napoleon with valuable experience and prestige.
So it just cut off the prestige, but I think it has done a good job here. Let's try out a few more. So for the next test, I'm going to do the audio understanding. For that, I have uploaded a long 10-minute audio here. As you can see, it's quite long, around 11 minutes 3 seconds. And I'm just asking it to summarize this audio in a single short 5-line paragraph. Let's generate this and then we will check out. And I will also play the audio maybe a little bit for you so that you would understand.
Happiness is a universal pursuit, sought by people from all walks of life and in every corner of the world. Yet, the meaning of happiness can be deeply personal and unique to each of us. For some, happiness comes from achieving goals, like graduating from school.
Okay, I'll just take it at the start.
Happiness is a universal pursuit, sought by people from all walks of life and in every corner of the world. Yet, the meaning of
So you see, it has done really, really good in terms of this. By the way, it can just do the text only reasoning too. Like you can just ask it, I'll just ask it, what is the meaning of life? And I will generate it and it is going to do that thinking. You see, it is thinking now. These are some of the tokens it is using. It doesn't take too long. I think the first load is when it warms up, otherwise, it is relatively faster, including all the chain of thought. There you go. And it has thought a lot about it. There you go. And then, of course, I have just cut it due to the gradio limitation, but I think it has done quite well, quite coherent. For the next test, I'm going to do the speech translation. So this is a speech in Spanish.
Se recomienda enfáticamente a los viajeros que se informen sobre cualquier riesgo del clima extremo en el área que visitan, dado que ello puede afectar sus planes de viaje.
So it has identified the source language as Spanish, and this is source, and this is a translation. I think it is okay, but if you are a Spanish speaker, please advise us, and you will be the best judge. Let's try out few more languages. Next is Russian. Let me play this.
Были особые династии.
I'll just take it from the start.
В Древнем Китае использовали уникальный способ обозначения периодов времени. Каждый этап Китая или каждая семья, находившаяся у власти, были особой династией.
And all of these audios are the free Hugging Face data set, which I have downloaded just to make sure I'm using a representative data. I'm not sure if it is correct or not. I think this translation was quite good, despite of the fact that the volume of the audio is not that good in the data set. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try Polish.
Podróżni zwiedzający państwa obłożone szczególnie wysokimi podatkami mogą czasem zaoszczędzić sporo pieniędzy, szczególnie na takich towarach jak alkohol i tytoń.
My apologies for the audio, it is low. If you want to contribute, send me a Polish audio. I will play it, but I will also find a better one. But let's try another language. So I have just done the Arabic one, and I don't think so it has done well here.
تشكلت في المحيط الأطلسي اليوم 10 عاصفة مسماة لموسم الأعاصير الأطلسية العاصفة شبه الاستوائية جيري.
Yeah, it thinks it's German, which it isn't. So let's do a German one.
Für die besten Aussichten auf Hongkong sollten Sie die Insel verlassen und zum gegenüberliegenden Ufer von Kowloon fahren.
Yeah, it was not that a good audio. Let me get a good German audio. So this is a synthetic audio, but let's try it out.
Glück ist ein flüchtiges Gefühl, das in den einfachsten Momenten des Lebens zu finden ist. Ein warmes Gespräch mit einem geliebten Menschen, ein wunderschöner Sonnenuntergang oder eine gute Tasse Kaffee.
So pretty good, I would say. I have just done Hindi. Let me know. Let me play this.
कुछ अणुओं में अस्थिर केंद्रक होता है, जिसका मतलब यह कि उनमें थोड़े या बिना किसी झटके से टूटने की प्रवृत्ति होती है.
Okay, I'm not sure, but let me know, please. And this one I tried Bengali, but it couldn't really do it.
Съобщава се, че е бил на около 20 години. В изявление Бибър заяви, че докато не съм присъствал,
No, I think it was Russian, I guess.
нито пряко замесен в този трагичен инцидент.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, it is Bulgarian. And it just thought it is Russian. So let me try the Bengali. I'm not sure if I have it, let me see. Yeah, I couldn't find a good Bengali one. It cannot even do Urdu.
दौर में खफीफ तलव्वुज़ ऐसा
So I think mostly European languages and maybe Hindi and few languages here and there. So that is why if you look at this reasoning chart, Audex 2 billion trails a bigger nemotron Cascade 230 billion, but hold its own impressively for a 2 billion model. On audio tasks, it has beaten Quen 3 Omni, Step Audio on several audio understanding benchmarks while matching or coming close to Quen 3.5 Omni on speech recognition. For me, I think the key story here is that this is a 2 billion model competing with model 15 to 35 times its size on audio tasks while not regressing on text. I think that is a real win. Let me know what do you think. If you want to help out the channel, please become a member. Thank you for all the support.